Hello dear colleagues, my name is Nikita and welcome to our Navitomia Guided Surgery Academy YouTube channel. This channel is for dentists, dental technicians, dental students and all other practitioners in the field of digital dentistry with a focus on surgical guides. In this channel you'll find videos dedicated to different clinical cases reviews, RealGUIDE tutorials. I will share my experience, tips, knowledge, life hacks, and we'll also talk about different guided surgery equipment, make a closer look to solutions, especially AI solutions, and everything which would make your life and work much easier. As I have already said, my name is Nikita, I am a dental surgeon and I work in the field of guided surgery since 2018. Also, I am a CEO of a guided surgery company which is called Navitomia. We as a company make surgical guides since 2021. So by this time we have obtained a lot of experience. We have made more than 3,000 surgical guide clinical cases. We have made a lot of mistakes. We have made a lot of cool things to my mind. And also we have built a surgical guide workflow system. So believe me, we have something to share with you in this YouTube channel. And I hope you will like this video, like our content. Please subscribe to this channel and like every single video you see. Of course, I'm kidding, I'm joking, but anyway, I hope that these videos, this content will be useful for you and you will actually use our knowledge in your daily practice. So, dear colleagues, many thanks for watching and I hope you will enjoy. Bye bye.